Welcome back to the Graham Stephan Show. So lately I've been going down this rabbit hole of watching influencers try to survive on $100 a week. Right? Am I the only one thinking it's not that big of a deal to, only spend $100 a week on like food and entertainment basically? But you know what? It makes them miserable. So we're going to be watching this video today. It's titled, I Tried to Survive on $100 for a Week, by Sarai Jones. She's got 3.5 million subscribers, and let's see if she can make it. Let's see if she could do it. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Is she gonna have a breakdown? Is she going to exceed it? Or is she gonna be able to do it? We don't know, but how about this, guys? If you wanna be a part of it, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join the Graham Stephan community here, and now with that said, let's begin.
Hello guys. Wow, I wanna be Ariana so bad today. My hair, I mean, come on. I tried. Let me set you guys down. Oh wait, first of all, look at my pants and they make the tushy look good.
We're 20 seconds in and already getting too much for YouTube.
So we have a serious challenge going on this week.
I love that it's like a serious challenge. Like just people do this. I mean, this is just like a thing. It's not like a challenge. This is the thing where it's like people have to only spend $100 a week because that's what they have. But, on YouTube, it's like, oh gosh, how are we gonna make it happen? I don't know. Let's follow along, see if we could survive on it. Obviously, you're gonna be able to survive on $100 a week. I mean, $100 to me seems like it would go a long way, but we'll see.
If you guys don't know, last year I uploaded a video of how much I spend in a week. I got the total and I'm not happy with myself.
Oh, I remember this. She filled up her Range Rover was like $80 of that in gasoline. That was a fun video to watch.
Hi guys, so I'm interrupting the video real quick. I actually uploaded this video that you're about to watch yesterday and it was only up for like 30 minutes. So I feel like the response wasn't great on this video yesterday and I can totally see why, and I feel like I was really insensitive like during this time of like going through a pandemic and like
oh yeah she's the one who's like,
oh, I can't fill up my Range Rover today. I'm only gonna have to put in 1 gallon of gas in my car, in my luxury sedan.
It's like it's interesting she had to re-upload the video. Gosh, when I make these videos, I mean, all of this is obviously like exaggerated. I'm not being like 100% serious here. It's, it's kind of funny to think that like, oh, you have to survive on $100 a week. But, I get the whole point of it. It makes for good content. But it's interesting that she would have to take the video down and then re-upload it with this.
I just wanted to say I'm so sorry. And if you know me personally, if you've been watching me for like years, and if you just know me, like that wasn't my intention. I was just doing this video because it was a really fun challenge going on last year, I think.
Fun challenge that went on years ago, and I just decided to revive it during a pandemic. I'm just kidding. I don't know why people get so angry on the internet. I'll be honest with you. Like, I'm not siding with her necessarily, but I'm also not siding with the people who went like and were upset with her. I mean, I don't know. If someone's living their life and they're not impacting you and they're giving you free content online, what? I don't get it. I don't get it. But then again, I don't get upset at other people online, so maybe that's just my perspective.
And I just feel so bad because that was not the intention of this video. It's just like a fun challenge that I saw. But I will be donating all the proceeds made from this video to the US Hunger Relief Organization. And also, since I saw so many comments of you guys saying that you're going through like a hard time, so I decided that I'm going to like randomly choose comments down below and Cash App or Venmo some of you guys. So definitely comment below.
I'm gonna comment, hey, I'm having a hard time. Smashing the like button, $50 will help. Thank you. I'm not kidding, I'm not gonna do that. But I don't know, it's like, I hate this culture online where it's like, oh, you do something wrong and people attack you and then you have to go and make good. It's like, obviously I see like if you do something sincerely wrong, then absolutely it's deserved to be called out. But I don't know, this seems like a bit of an overreaction and I would have just, kept the video up. You know what? Maybe a pinned comment. That always works well.
So we're gonna see if I can control myself and only spend $100 this week. If I fail, give me shit in the comments. Do it. Drag me.
Maybe it was that. Maybe it's just like, drag me in the comments section. People took that a little bit too seriously. How about this? I'm gonna ask you guys to post supportive comments down below. Just, inflate my ego a little bit. Write something really nice. Be like, Graham, your skin looks good today. You've been moisturizing a lot more because it's been dry outside in Las Vegas, and yeah, I'm trying to prevent my face from getting wrinkles. Something like that might be nice.
It looks like a really nice day. Look at the fall leaves, but it is so cold out right now, so I need to get my booty in the car immediately. Do I have a mask?
Ah, there's the Range Rover. There's that gas guzzler that's like $80 to fill up.
I also need to get some gas, but since my gas is literally probably $65 for a full tank, I'm just gonna get $10 worth of gas because I'm not really going anywhere because of quarantine. So grocery store and gas station.
I was kind of joking with her putting like only a gallon of gasoline in there, but yeah, I mean, it makes sense if she's trying to ration this $100. And Safeway is a good spot to get groceries.
Running out of almond butter. Oh, heck no. $9 for almond butter. Okay, I might have to skip out on almond butter because that's already adding up.
That's too expensive. Who pays $9 for almond butter? Just get peanut butter for like $1 at the 99-cent store.
This is the oatmeal that I get, and I think I might have some left. Or I know there's a different kind of oatmeal, like that's not this brand, so I think I'm just gonna hold off on that.
Seems like normal people budgeting. You know, honestly, until like maybe a year ago, I'd go to the grocery store and the first thing I'd look at is the price. And then I would decide, depending on how cheap something was, whether or not I'd buy it. So it's like price first, product second. And I don't know, to me that just seems normal.
Okay, I have to keep my eye on this. Oh, that scared me. $10.30. That person behind me kept staring at me because I was recording the whole thing, which I don't blame them, but getting that content. What was the total?
Just another sunny day.
$20, yikes. So already, well, you know what? She's got a lot of food at the grocery store, so the food's gonna be out. The gasoline should last her a few days, so she got a lot of that cost up front.
Hi guys, I'm eating a sandwich. I don't know.
Oh, it's a Subway. Listen, from all the fast food places out there, you could get a good Subway, $6. Split that into 2 to 3 meals. That's not terrible.
I was biting my cuticles
remix.
like I always do. I did it too far, so that's why I have a Band-Aid on. Now I'm eating a Subway.
That's beautiful, girl.
I love the music in the background of just how whimsical it is to eat a Subway.
My nails are pretty jacked up right now. Like my hangnails are hanging on for dear life. So usually to get my nails done, it's like $40. So obviously can't get my nails done until next week after this challenge. So
That's not fair. I mean, I get it, but it's not like you could just keep putting things off and then like spend all the money the day after. Like the day after you spent like $1,000 doing all the things that you put off for a week. But you know what? It's the intention of the challenge. It's there.
I have this really, really bad habit of like picking my cuticles or hangnails, and I just like overly do it, and it's like pretty bad because my fingers literally hurt. So that's really cute. I'm gonna go to Walgreens and get some stick-on nails and try those out because I've seen a lot of people like start to use them over quarantine. So I'm like, okay, I'll give them a try. I'm gonna use my phone instead of my camera so I'm more discreet, you know. Found the manicure. Oh. Who is she?
What? Is she? Seriously? That's her? It is. Oh my gosh. Do they just have like influencer eyelashes? What? No way. That's actually kind of cool. What kind of... Maybe I could have my own... my eyelashes. They would just be like the shortest eyelashes. I don't know.
We need to make sure that we get a good one that's like priced right. Oh, they have some cute ones.
Or she could just not bite her nails. That would be cheaper than this. Now, I get the appeal. You know, doing your nails, fine. But just like, if that's to prevent you from chewing on your nails, just, I don't know, gloves, right? Or what's the thing that isn't there something that you would put on like kids' nails to prevent them from biting? It tastes bitter. I always thought there was something like that.
After tax, it was $9.89, and then I got $1 off because I'm a member at Walgreens. So the total is $8.89, but we'll just round it up to $9, I guess. These are the nails that I got, so let's put them on. Okay, so I'm back. Clearly, I haven't done this in forever.
It's a good shot. You know, as a content creator, I always look at people's shots and I think, you know, do I like that shot? How is it framed? How's the lighting? Can I incorporate something like it? It's perfect. She's got the greenery, the light, she's well lit. It's an interesting background. It's relatively clean. I like the shot.
Guys, they actually look so real.
Yeah, that's not bad for $9, and I don't know how long that took her, but it's a good deal.
Also, when I was getting tampons, I was driving back home and I was like, Damn, Starbucks sounds really good right now, but I probably shouldn't get that. I have Keurig K-Cups at home, like let's just use that, but I was like, nope, f it. I'm on my period, I deserve this, so I ended up buying coffee.
Ah, $4.65, come on. You could just make coffee at home. Oh, well. It would have been nice, though, to have one day of just zero, and that kind of threw that off.
So for Thursday, we're almost through the week. We got it. I didn't really go out, obviously, because of COVID, and I didn't really spend any money on anything. The only thing food-wise that I ate differently is I had a HelloFresh meal that night, which you guys know I'm obsessed with HelloFresh. They have such amazing deals, and obviously, I ordered a HelloFresh this week just because I save so much money on food and just time getting HelloFresh. So for this day, the serving for HelloFresh that I spent was this much. And of course, I used my code this week because I wanted to save that money. Definitely go to HelloFresh.com and use my code 80crazyrare and you can get an amazing deal. Do it. So with that code, you can get $80 off across 5.
I think she was reading off like a script down below, right? I feel like if you do an integration, if they pay you for something, at least do the courtesy of learning the script and reading it to the camera. It just makes it look better, that's all. But you know what? I like HelloFresh a lot. They're not sponsoring this. They have sponsored us in the past, and I've really enjoyed their food. Like a lot. So if they ever want to sponsor us again, would love that.
Now it's Friday. And then we have the weekend. Thank goodness. So on Friday, my mom and I went and got some drinks, but obviously it was COVID friendly. We're 6 feet apart and there was like barely any people, so thank goodness.
Yeah, but she's in the same household as her mom, right? So it's like, why would she need to be 6 feet apart from her mom if she lives with her mom? I don't know.
And also, it was happy hour, so I got a Moscow Mule and my mom got a lemon drop. In total, that was $12, so not bad at all.
Yeah, but she could just have her mom pay for it and then kind of like cheat the system, be like, oh, but my mom paid for it. I didn't pay for it, technically. I think that would be okay, actually.
The only thing that I bought on Saturday was a Visco filter. And I think it was like $3.99, and then the rest of the day I just chilled. Good job, Stray. We did great.
There we go. I love those. I love those weekends where you do nothing but work. That's the good thing about working, is that not only are you making more money, but you're not out there spending. So everything you make, you get to keep. I love that.
So I didn't think I bought anything on Sunday, but then I went to my Amazon orders and I saw that I ordered some probiotics, and that was $27.94. I'm kind of cutting it close, so yikes. Let's count up the total and figure out if we did it.
Yeah, look at that. $96.36. So she's one Starbucks away from going over that. But you know what? She did it. That's good.
Guys, I did it. I'm actually so shocked and proud of myself because usually I'd be just spending my money, which I need to work on. I know we're gonna work on it. I am so proud of myself. I did such a good job.
Good video. You know what? I liked it a lot. I'm shocked it's that much of a challenge. I mean, I feel like it would be easy. But you know what? How about this? If you guys want to see me survive for a week on $100, even though I think it's going to be like the simplest thing ever, just let me know down below in the comment section. I feel like, you know, we could even do like 50 bucks, like 60, like something like that. Just make it a little bit more extreme. Let's see if we could do that. If there's an interest in that, just let me know down below in the comment section. Be like, yeah, Graham, do it. And with this amount, and if there's enough likes on it, I will do it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.